At UCSD, if it hadn't been for Wayne, the Institute of the Americas might not exist. If it hadn't been for Wayne, the Center for U.S. Mexican Studies, which became one of the best in the world, especially in the United States, the Center for Comparative Immigration Studies probably wouldn't exist. If it hadn't been for Wayne, our political science department and social sciences probably wouldn't have ranked in the top 10 in the country. He's an institution builder. And he raised something like over $1 million a year, which in the social sciences is astonishing. And so he built something from scratch and that had a big impact around the state and in academia and in public policy. So I think the legacy is very, very strong.
Coming to UCSD brought great opportunities to create from scratch my own research center to do cutting-edge work on Mexico.
Both the Center for U.S. Mexican Studies and the Center for Comparative Immigration Studies are both very much the houses that Wayne built. He was one of the very first people to really start taking seriously the point of view of migrants' communities of origin. He was doing that back in the 1970s.
He was one of the most cited comparative politics scholars in the world.
He was one of the first who came to the Mexican rural areas. He inspired anthropologists, sociologists, political scientists, economists to go to the field.
He's really been a one-man hub of research on Mexico and on international migration and brokered connections literally all over the planet.
I think the collaborative fieldwork that I did with my students over a 40-year period is the thing that I'm most proud of. Most of that work was done through the Mexican Migration Field Research and Training Program, which I created at UCSD. That program, the thousands of interviews done by my students, generated a body of knowledge that really advanced our understanding of migration behavior and the settlement process of migrants in the United States. That's knowledge that is highly relevant to public policy. During the 3 presidential campaigns that I advised, beginning with Obama and ending with Joe Biden's, I drew regularly on that body of research to justify my policy proposals because it was simply the best available, most direct evidence to make the case.
As a researcher, Wayne is a champion of what I would call field research in U.S. Mexican migration. Under his academic leadership, he literally trained hundreds, if not thousands, of students.
Many of them have gone on to do really important work with immigrant communities. Many are immigrants themselves or the children of immigrants, working in law and advocacy, in the academy and government. That kind of force multiplier effect, the fact that there are so many people around the world that are carrying on the work that he began when he started training folks right here on campus.
I'm so proud of Dr. Cornelius, or Profe as we call him. Actually, I wasn't thinking of being a doctor until doing the migration and health research with Profe's program, and I just saw how much migration impacted health. I serve mainly immigrant undocumented patients. It's my passion, it's my life goal, and I even have a nonprofit actually in South San Diego. And Wayne is running through that vein. I mean, he is just the part of the passion and the life force that has helped me really build my whole career. So I'm so grateful to his expertise and his guidance.
Wayne is a creator of collective goods. And those centers he created helped lots of other people. They weren't just for his work. Also, since he's been retired, he continues to do that. So he goes to hospitals and helps patients there who don't speak English. He gets through with their Spanish. He takes his dog there to give doggy care to the people in the hospital. He sings in a choir to make other people feel good. He likes to do good work for other folks. That's his reputation and his style, and it always will be. He's indefatigable and very generous.
Well, the Revelle is a special award because it's the only one that I've received that recognizes my program building and student training activities. Those are activities that consumed the vast majority of my time from 1979 until I retired. And so it's nice to have those particular activities recognized and to know that they're appreciated.